for India to grow at a faster pace, it's widely recognized that manufacturing and exports should grow at a faster pace. The current budget actually builds upon this, and it does it in a number of ways. So one thing that it's done is that it proposes to set up an interministerial committee which is there to address issues around non-tariff measures, cross-border factoring, and other things. So it's a very, very sector by sector approach. It's also identified sectors like leather, like food processing, like toys, where exports can happen on a shorter run. And this is proposed to be done through a combination of policy measures, setting up specialized estates, and through schemes. There's also a proposal to have GCCs come to tier 2 cities. GCCs are the primary drivers of service exports out of our country. And then, of course, to set up a public digital infrastructure which can combine customs procedures along with logistics and financing. So it's a multi-pronged approach which is there. Government is being flexible in identifying sectors, and it will do what it believes it should do through interministerial committees to drive trade and exports in general. And this has also been supplemented by some of the duty changes that has been recommended by the government under the customs duty, so that manufacturing and therefore exports are competitive. Turning on to AI. So the budget generally underscores the importance of the government towards AI. The specific proposal which is there in the budget is to set up a center of excellence for AI skilling. In addition, there are schemes which are there which relates to startups, which relate to innovation, and which relate to fellowship. Given the whole focus today in innovation world is around AI, so a lot of this money should actually flow into AI. And the budget's announcements have been supplemented by some of the announcements which have been made by the government in the run-up to the budget, which is around development of local LLMs or the fast pace of implementation of GPU infrastructure or operationalization of the data platform. And I think AI is at a great time. The recent developments have brought down the cost of accessing AI and addressing some of the issues around explainability and all. So I expect this budget to be very, very positive for both AI and trade, and for us to see high growths in both the areas, not only in the coming year, but even on the medium to long term.